Welcome to my YouTube automotive channel. In today's video I have a 2014 Town and Country minivan, and I will show you the location of the exterior color paint coat. This video will apply to Town and Countries made from 2011 all the way up to 2016. If this video was helpful, please consider supporting the channel by liking the video, subscribing to the channel, or becoming a channel member. Now if you open the driver door, the code will be right here under the serial number, so it's gonna be PNT, and after that you will get your code. So in case you're planning to paint your vehicle or just touch up paint it, you will have to get the color that matches this code and you'll be good to go. Thank you for watching this video. I hope it was helpful and educational. If it was, please like it and consider subscribing to my YouTube automotive channel. On my channel there is lots of how-to videos, do-it-yourself videos, car reviews, product reviews and other similar automotive topics.